Hello guys, I am a student of Mr. Tim, the founder of 355 Code, and I'm here to present to you one of our weekly warm-ups at the beginning of our classes, dating back to February 27th, 2022, which is printing all palindromic numbers between 0 and 1000. Do you guys know what a palindrome is? If not, let me explain it to you briefly. A palindrome is a number which remains the same when its digits are reversed. So we have as examples 11, 121, 494, 878, and 676. So if we take 878, we can see that if we flip the number backwards, which means that we switch the numbers order, it will still be 878. So 878 is a good example of a palindrome. This is a fairly simple code, but it's more data focused instead of the game focused codes that we proposed to you previously, like the Connect 4 game and the Chinese checkers game. First, we can create an integer called number, and we set it at a value of 1, which is the number most used at the outset of a data-focused code. Then, we can create a while statement that gives us the number of palindromes between 1 and 100. Since most of the palindromes between 1 and 100 are multiples of 11, we created an if statement that requires the remainder between the number and 11 to be 0. If this number corresponds to the criteria given, we print the value and we increase the number by 1 with an increment plus. Following this sequence, we created a piece of code that gives us all the palindromes between 100 and 200. But this sequence of code is so efficient that we can repeat it by switching a couple of numbers to print out all the numbers till the 1000. This piece of code here gives us the palindromes between 100 and 200. We start off by setting the value of number to 101 and then we print it. We then create a while statement that implements the condition stating that the number needs to be smaller than 190. If the number corresponds to this criteria, we then add 10 to this number and then print it. The code will stop at the palindrome after 190, which is 191. Finally, you can repeat the sequence 8 more times to get the remaining number of palindromes. And here is the final result. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.